What is the best online weight loss course? So I have searched the internet wide and far to try to find the best online weight loss course, or like the top rated ones. Now you'll find stuff on like Udemy and Skillshare and like, kind of these like generic $17, one-time fee programs. And I've clicked through to some of them and even purchased them and started watching. They're really, they're okay. A lot of them are like, oh, just don't eat carbs, or, just eat this and that. Like, a lot of them are just fake BS. But they're not very good. The things you want to look for in an online weight loss program is, first of all, it needs to be taught by a subject matter expert. And I don't care if you're not a university professor or, professor of medicine or whatever. You want to find somebody who actually knows what they're talking about, that isn't just pushing some crazy fad. The programs that I found and looked through were like, don't ever eat carbs again, or you got to do keto, or, intermittent fasting is this magical thing. None of that is science-based. None of that is evidence-based. None of that is even real. Sure, those things can cause weight loss depending on what you like and who you are, but that doesn't give you enough background information about how to actually lose weight in a sustained way. So the most important thing is you want to look for somebody who's a true subject matter expert, somebody who's been like a registered dietitian maybe, or somebody who's like very, very well known lecturing on weight loss and talking about it, and or publishing books or writing about whatever it might be. It needs to be taught by somebody who's very, very well read and well educated when it comes to weight loss. That's number one. Number two, these are some things that are not like absolutely important, but they're helpful, is like workbooks. Does it come with a cheat sheet or a workbook or a shortcut guide? Another one would be like, is there text that describes what the video or the professor is talking about? Well, it might not even be a professor, but is there like a video? Is there a text guide? Like if the first lecture is on protein, is there a text that goes with it that you can read? Like, oh, hey, protein, or you can print out, whatever it might be. That's hugely, hugely important. Another one that I feel is really important is that it's like a university class. You didn't sign up for a $17 program to like, it's always crashing on you and it's not working, and you're by yourself. You can't interact with the professor. You want to be able to access the person teaching it. So that's hugely, hugely important to me. Whenever I sign up for online courses, and I've done tons of them, I want to be able to ask questions like, hey, you mentioned this in your lecture on this page, and the nice thing about some of the programs is you're actually on that page. You're on the page about protein. You want to ask a question about protein. The instructor can answer it right then and there. So that's important to me, being interactive. I want to be able to ask questions and talk about it. Another aspect that's important also has to do with interaction is, can there be like a live Zoom question and answer? Like, I finish the program, can we do like a once a month, weekly meeting, monthly meeting on Zoom or something where we can all ask all of our questions collectively? That's huge to me. Another one would be like the cost to value ratio, like a $17 program on Udemy or like Skillshare or something, or these free classes, probably not going to be in depth enough to actually really be useful. Like, I could go on, I forget which one it was. It was either Skillshare or the other one. It was like I said, it was like a free course. You just register, they get your email address, you take the class, and it's like 3 or 4 videos of very superficial kind of information. One of them was longer, and I'll admit I went through most of it, but it wasn't in depth. It didn't make sense. There's no science behind it. There's no research. There's no links to the data, no links to the studies. Like, hey, I want to read studies on sugar. Well, how come sugar doesn't cause weight gain or weight loss or whatever it might be? I want the studies. I want to know why diabetics this, and that. So that's important. The other kind of class of courses that I found were the ones that were just like overwhelming. These weren't weight loss ones, but I've registered for courses or programs where you take it and there's 350 videos. Let's say on Facebook ads. I want to learn about Facebook ads. There's 355 videos that I should watch. That's a lot. And when you see that, it's like, whoa, this is a bit overwhelming. not sure this is something I want to do or even get started in. It's just super overwhelming. People want results quickly. They want it to be detailed. They want it to be in depth, but they also don't want to be there for the next 3 years watching 2 videos a day and still not finishing the program. So there needs to be a balance between how in depth and like you got to cut out stuff that's just not helpful. That's kind of my two cents there. But either way, those are kind of things I think are important. Number one, it needs to be taught by a subject matter expert that really knows what they're talking about and knows the topic well, so that if questions come up or something, they can answer it, and they've already answered it maybe in their talk. 2, it needs to be interactive. If I'm on this video about protein and I ask a question, I want the instructor to answer the question there, within the next 24 hours. Some kind of interactive or live part of it where there's like a Zoom thing going on, or some kind of interactive question and answers, something like that would be super, super helpful. I also want it to be high quality. I want the videos to be 4K. Like, it should be really high quality. I want there to be a workbook or some kind of downloadable, cheat sheet or cliff notes or, instructor's guide, companion guide, whatever it is. I want it to be concise but still in depth. Like, I don't want it to be 5,000 videos, but I don't want just 3. There has to be a balance, and I want it to be worth the money. Like, if I'm paying $200 to $400 for a program, I want it to feel worth about $2,000 to $3,000 worth of a program. Like, if I'm paying $300 to $400 for a class that's equivalent to a university course, I want to feel like I'm getting my money's worth, not like a $17 money worth. So anyways, I do have a weight loss course online that you guys can register for. I promise you it's all of these things that I just talked about. You have complete access to me, and you can ask me questions in every single module. Highly recommend it. Definitely grab that program, and please share this with somebody who needs to know about it.